Okay, so you know how nowadays you want to go to the store to get one of those extenders, but you realize they only use one thing, you only bottom one. Well, what's worse is when you try plugging it into a wall outlet here, which is use this as an example. You see, it has only one of these, so when you try to, so it's only designed to go on the top. The bottom one's just to hold it in, but you can't use it on the bottom because this is in the way. And not only that, but also this top. In order to get it to the bottom slot, you would have to cut it, which would void the warranty. You might think you could just get away with it by using one of these on the top. These aren't nice. It still won't work. Yeah, because it's designed to prevent it without. So you need to cut this and this thing, which again voids warranty. So I'll show you how you can get that to work. You take pretty much one of these extension cables and two of these. So pretty much what you do is hard to do with one hand, but yeah, just okay. You get the boxing one. There you go. And then here you need then grab another one. Okay. And voila, you got your outlet and you got your 12 sockets, but your 2 USB A's and 2 USB C's. And voila, now you can turn this 2 outlet into 12 outlets. And you got to 2 capacitors, so it's 14. And if you really want, you can then put one of these on top. And since these are designed to be stacked on top of each other, voila, got 2 of these, and then so you got 18 outlets and 4 USBs. This is a ridiculous design, but it may work. You just gotta trust the expert. Yeah, I don't know why they don't just use the old design where you have 2 prongs. That would be way easier instead of this monstrosity. But yes, technology is advancing. Okay, whatever. So good. Thanks for watching, and bye.